I'll start with the big picture. 3 weeks ago, this market elicited a significant buy signal when it closed above these convergent channel structures, in particular this descending 4-month channel top, but also at the time in combination with the former 9-month channel bottom. This set up a return to 153.13, the January 25 all-time high, within 3 to 5 months. We're about 2-3 weeks into it, and we're already 60% of the way there or so. So a very volatile move to the upside. We are, though, running into what I consider to be a meaningful resistance, meaningful being 138.49. This is the daily chart. This is a 5-week channel that can contain weekly, possibly month of May buying pressures. This is an area this market can grow exhausted, fall back to not only 121.09, this descending 2/3 speed line within a week or two of activity, but quite possibly all the way back to channel support at 109.98. Now, as it turns out, that 121.09 descending 2/3 speed line will be converging with the 109.98 channel bottom later this month. And this 109.98 is based in part on Wednesday's high. This 138.49 is a representation really of the channel top that we have yet to test. And so if we test it, it really is this trend line that'll be in the 110s at that time. So I'll say it one more time, that I think 2 to 3 week swing traders can play the short side at 138.49, anticipating bearish rotation back into the 110s within 2 to 3 weeks. If we're talking downside today, 131.68 is yesterday's low, and that has pivot point qualities because it is the highest we've been in some 2, 3, 4 months. It is the move high so far. So 131.68, a downward pivot point for the day. If we push above yesterday's high of 135.43, let's say we test 138.49 and fall back to close the day below yesterday's 131.68 low, that in itself is a key reversal high, a bearish engulfing pattern that does indicate likely bearish rotation in the days and weeks to follow. But if you're just talking day trading, you're selling 138.49. Should you buy 131.68, yesterday's low? There is a gap here, and so I think there's going to be some play here. I don't think it's going to crash right through 131.68, but if we do break 131.68, we could test 127.72 today. That is that 5/8 Fibonacci from the December high against that April low, and 127.72 still well equipped to contain daily selling pressure. Solid day trade level, potentially a 3 to 5 day rotation upward. So if we're talking 3 to 5 days, you could be selling 138.49 and holding out for 127.72 as a profit. Check us out at wickedstocks.com. You get a 5-day free trial up front. You also get weekly Apple stock, daily Triple Q, daily SPY, weekly S&P 500, weekly NASDAQ 100 analysis, and 2 stock picks every week. You can see that all by going to wickedstocks.com.